Hello guys, welcome to Informatics Joy. Today in this video we are going to see about Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Mahendra Singh Dhoni, born on 7 July 1981, is an Indian former international cricketer who captained the Indian national team in the limited over formats from 2007 to 2016 and in Test cricket from 2008 to 2014. Under his captaincy, India won the 2007 ICC World T20, the 2010 and 2016 Asia Cups, the 2011 ICC Cricket World Cup and the 2013 ICC Champions Trophy. A right-handed middle-order batsman and a wicket-keeper, Dhoni is one of the highest run scorers in ODI series with more than 10,000 runs scored and is considered an effective finisher in limited over formats. He is also regarded by some as one of the best wicket keepers and captains in the modern limited over international cricket. His full name is Mahendra Singh Pan Singh Dhoni. He is nicknamed as Mahi, Captain Cool, MSD and Thala, and his role is a wicket-keeper batsman. He did his Test debut in 2nd December versus Sri Lanka and his last Test was 26th December versus Australia. ODI debut he made in 23rd December 2004 as a captain versus Bangladesh and his last ODI was 9th July 2019 versus New Zealand. His shirt number is 7. He made a T20 debut as a captain on 1 December 2006 versus South Africa and made his last T20 in 2019 27 February versus Australia. In 1999 to 2004, he was in the Bihar cricket team and 2004-2005 to present he is in Jharkhand, 2008 to 2015 and 2018 present he was in Chennai Super Kings, 2016 to 2017 he was in Rising Pune Super Giants. His stats are: in Test he has done 90 matches, 4,876 runs, batting average 38.9, 6 centuries, 33 50s, top score is 224, balls bowled 96, wickets 0, catches 256 and stumpings 38. In ODI, he has played 350 matches, 10,773 runs, batting average is 50.53, 10 centuries, 73 50s, top score 183 not out, balls bowled 36, wickets 1, bowling average 31.00, and best bowling is 1 for 14, catches 321, stumpings 123. And in T20I, matches 98, runs scored 1,617, batting average 37.60, hundreds 0, 50s 2, top score 56, and 57 catches and 34 stumpings. In T20I, matches 317, runs scored is 6621, batting average 39.88, 27 50s, top score 84 not out, balls bowled 12, wickets taken 0, 170 catchings and 83 stumpings. He made his ODI debut in December 2004 against Bangladesh and played his first Test a year later against Sri Lanka. Dhoni has been a recipient of many awards including the ICC ODI Player of the Year award in 2008 and 2009, the first player to win the award twice, the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award in 2007, the Padma Shri, India's 4th highest civilian honor in 2009 and the Padma Bhushan, India's 3rd highest civilian honor in 2018. He was named as the captain of the ICC World Test 11 in 2009, 2010 and 13. He has also been selected a record 8 times in the ICC World ODI 11 teams, 5 teams as captain. The Indian Territorial Army confirmed the honorary rank of Lieutenant Colonel to Dhoni on 1st November 2011. He is the second Indian cricketer after Kapil Dev to receive this honor. Dhoni also holds numerous captaincy records such as the most wins by an Indian captain in ODIs and T20s and most back-to-back wins by an Indian captain in ODIs. He took over the ODI captaincy from Rahul Dravid in 2007 and led the team to its first ever bilateral ODI series wins in Sri Lanka and New Zealand. In June 2013, when India defeated England in the finals of the Champions Trophy in England, Dhoni became the first captain to win all 3 ICC limited over trophies: World Cup, Champions Trophy and World T20. After taking up the Test captaincy in 2008, he led the team to series wins in New Zealand and West Indies and the Border Gavaskar Trophy in 2008, 2010 and 13. In 2009, Dhoni also led the Indian team to number 1 position for the first time in the ICC Test rankings. In 2013, under his captaincy, India became the first team in more than 40 years to whitewash Australia in a test series. In the Indian Premier League, that is IPL, he captained the Chennai Super Kings to victory at the 2010, 11, 18 seasons, along with wins in the 2010 and 14 editions of Champions League 2020. In 2011, Time magazine included Dhoni in its annual Time 100 list as one of the most influential people in the world. It's a great honor to achieve. Dhoni holds the post of Vice President of India Cements Limited after resigning from Air India. India Cements is the owner of IPL team Chennai Super Kings, and Dhoni has been its captain since the first IPL season. He announced his retirement from Tests on 30 December 2014. In 2012, Sports Pro, Dhoni as the 16th most remarkable athlete in the world. Dhoni is the co-owner of Indian Super League team Chennai FC. In June 2015, Forbes ranked Dhoni at 23rd in the list of highest paid athletes in the world, estimating his earnings at $31 million. 2016, a biopic MS Dhoni, The Unfold Story, was made about his life and cricketing career after Indian team's win at the 2011 Cricket World Cup. MS Dhoni announced his retire from international cricket yesterday, that is 15th August 2020, on Independence Day at night. Everybody is sad about his retirement, but he has to retire. He's old, right? So, thanks guys for watching this video. Hope you all enjoyed this video and came to know about Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Thank you very much. Stay safe,